Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Welcome back, my dear friends. And yes, this is our second part of unboxing of my Carmela's Orchids box. And now we are going to unbox the sixth plants, and this is so cool. Yeah, as you know, I'm always so excited unboxing my orchids. So I hope you are excited as well. This one is a huge plant again, and it flowered already. There, where the spike was. But we'll see if what type of orchids of dendrobium this is. What variety? Alright. Huge again. It's a huge one. A very, very huge one. Ta-da! Ooh. So this is the very, very baby one, but it already flowered. But it did not flower here yet at the top. So we'll see if it give us flower very, very soon as well. And it's going to give us a new growth here, and it already giving us a node there. So it's gonna have a new baby, and this is the too long name, Dendrobium. Wait, let's see. This is a Dendrobium Thong Chai Gold Pinawatana. So that's the name of this one. Cute name, huh? And that's how big this is. Taller one. It's tall and it's top heavy. So, alright, next is this one. It's so fat. It's a fat one. I'm sure it's huge again. Feels like it has a flower, but if not, it's alright. Oops, sorry. Sorry, honey, I didn't mean to do that. Nope, it doesn't have a flower, but this is huge. And this is what I wanted to get. Wow, I got one. This is a species one. A species Dendrobium. Can you see how pretty this is? It doesn't have flowers yet, but it's gonna give me very, very soon. This is a royal chip. Yups. Exactly. This is exactly what I wanted to get. Dendrobium royal chip. This is a crossbred of Roy Takunaga cross with microchip. So that's why royal chip. Because it is the crossbred of that two plants. Oh gosh, I used to have another variety of this one, but I used to had it for 3 years, but last winter they all died. So I don't know why I can't keep them up being alive. My weather has a big problem, that's why, for sure. Not me. Well, of course, it's also from my care. So alright, this is the third one from this video, and we'll see. Whew. I'm so careless right now. Okay. Oh, it has a spike. It has a flower, maybe just a spike. Ta-da! It has a flower. And this is also kind like this one, the one that we just unwrapped earlier. Ah, all right, all right. All right, there you go. Oh gosh, yep. Ooh, it has a new growth already coming. See that? There. Pretty. Ooh, there's just two here that's died already. But it has a... Ta-da! There's only two, but it's beautiful. This also smells yummy, you know. It smells minty. Ta-da! That's the flower. This is the Tunagawa. Oh, this is the mother plant. Well, maybe the sibling. This is Dendrobium Takunaga crushed with Shirashie. Yep. Shirashie. That's the name of this one. So, I got two of this variety, different variety, but almost the same. Alright, let's put this here. It's also top heavy, so I'll be careful with it. Alright, next. Okay, let's unbox this one. I mean, unwrap this one. I'm not sure if I am still on the camera. Okay, I think I am. What? Wow. I am so lucky. Lucky for this purchase. Look. Haha. So cute. So this is a Dendrobium Bracteosum crossbred with Sib. A little Eve pink. Oh, so it has a pink flower. It's gonna have a pink flower. So this is a species. If you can see, the species orchids like dendrobiums, their canes, their body are small. But those hybrids like these and these are the hybrid ones, they have a big canes. But I have there another one that is pretty. So, and it's a species. So I'm happy me. So I got species ones. It doesn't have flowers yet, but it will for sure. Alright, next one. This is a little bitty one. I think this is also a species. Well, we'll see. We will see. We can't say until it's showing its beauty. Alright. Alright. Ooh, I can see it now. Oh, so cute. Ta-da! Ooh, poor leaves. Wow. Another species, I guess. So full of it. Okay, let's see what's the name. Dendrobium. What? It's poking. Let's take that off there. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, that is Dendrobium green lantern. What? Lanthorn? It's a crossbred of Dawn Marie. I can't read it. I will write the name later. I will look their website for that. But this is a pretty one too. Look at these. Pretty. We'll see if this is also a hybrid or a species. So, but we got that one. So, next, maybe we can just put this here. Alright, next one, another little one. Short one, I would say. A short one. Okay. Okay, we have these. Another short one, but bigger. Oh gosh, I can feel it now. What? Look at these. So huge. Wow. Oh, poor thing. Got broken. This leaf here got broken, but it's alright. It's an old one. So, but look at these. Ah, it's so huge. Let's see the name. It's Lori Dendrobium. Excuse me, leafy. Let's put you here first. Alright. It's Dendrobium Lori Mortimer. Blah blah. I cannot read it. But that's her. So pretty, so huge. Oh gosh. So, I am so okay, let's open this. Another short one, but huge. It's another short one, but huge. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh, I can feel that heaviness. It's so heavy. Ta-da! Oh, look at these. Huge. Oh, it's so full. This pot is just so full of it. But it seems like the mother plant died. So it needs a repotting right away. See, it's so full of new growth as well. Both sides. This side, and this side. All over. 4 sides are so full of new growth. Wow. Can't believe it's happening like this. So, yeah, it needs repot very soon. If not tomorrow, because it's already, what time is it? Ooh, it's already 5 in the afternoon here where I live right now. So if I don't repot tomorrow, I'm gonna repot this next day. But we'll see. It depends on my climate. On how hot outside. It's too hot outside. That's why I cannot do anything. Let's see, put this here. Alright. Let's put this here. And let's put this heavy here. Top heavy actually. Okay. All right. So let's open these. Oh, I cannot open this one anymore. We already 15 minutes. I'm so excited. I forgot to look at my screen and look at my time. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching this second part of the video unboxing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.